If you're thinking about buying Amaran, there are 7 things you need to know before making that decision. Whether you're comparing it to competitors or just trying to get a feel for what it offers, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the info you need to make an informed choice. First off, Amaran is one of the most comprehensive platforms out there for an insert product category, but before you hit buy, it's important to understand how it stacks up against alternatives in the market. While many competitors offer basic features, Amaran brings a lot to the table, especially in terms of customization and ease of use. What makes it stand out is its attention to user experience without sacrificing depth. Next thing you should know is that Amaran isn't just for the casual user. It's built with scalability in mind. Whether you're a small business or managing a larger operation, this product grows with you. Unlike other tools that plateau or require costly upgrades, Amaran has flexible plans that suit different needs. That makes it a great long-term investment compared to competitors that limit growth potential. The third thing you should keep in mind is the level of customer support you get with Amaran. While other companies might charge extra for premium support or leave you to figure things out on your own, Amaran offers robust customer service without hidden costs. I've personally used their support and can confirm that it's fast, knowledgeable, and genuinely helpful, which is something you can't always count on from other providers. The fourth thing to note is Amaran's integration capabilities. This is crucial if you rely on other tools for your business or personal projects. Amaran integrates seamlessly with major platforms, unlike some competitors that either don't offer integrations or charge extra for them. This kind of flexibility ensures that you won't have to start over or pay more just to connect your favorite tools. Fifth on the list, pricing. Amaran offers competitive pricing, but more importantly, you get excellent value for what you pay. Some products might have lower upfront costs, but hit you with extra fees down the road. With Amaran, what you see is what you get, and the value is undeniable, especially when compared to pricier options that don't offer the same level of features or customer service. Next, Amaran is built with security in mind. Many of its competitors struggle to offer robust protection, leaving your data vulnerable. Amaran, however, uses the latest security protocols to keep your information safe and private. This is especially important if you're storing sensitive data or running business-critical operations. The final thing you should know is that Amaran is constantly evolving. Unlike some other products that stagnate after a few updates, Amaran regularly rolls out improvements, new features, and enhancements based on user feedback. If you buy now, you're getting a product that's only going to get better with time. So if you're considering Amaran, click the first link in the description to grab the best offer and a completely free trial. This gives you the opportunity to explore everything Amaran has to offer with no pressure. You'll even get exclusive benefits when you sign up through the link. Remember, Amaran is a powerhouse, and after hearing these 7 key things, you should have all the info you need to make a confident decision. Don't miss out. Click the link below to start your free trial today.